Hello everyone, so it's been a while. Today I have something for you, something very different. We're gonna smash some things. So I have this, since I built this, I have this old box that I had. I made it for my Alpine Type X and it's been in the garden for the past, I don't know, a month or so. It's all wet. And I have absolutely no use for it because I tried to put it on sale. Nobody wants to buy it, so it's just sitting there, and I need to get rid of stuff because it takes space. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna smash it. Basically, we're gonna see how strong is a box made from two. So it's like 1.5 inch thick. It's two 18 mil MDF. And 3 12 mil on the side because I didn't have anything at that time. So I'm gonna try to, my plan was to throw it from the window, but I don't know if this pavement is gonna last, so I don't know. I'm gonna try smaller drops, and then if it's not gonna work, I'm gonna try to throw it from something higher. So it's glued together. It's screwed together as well, and yeah, basically we'll see how strong it is. Okay, so it's gonna be attempt number one. The box is quite heavy. It's like close to 10-15 kilos. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Nothing, just a corner. Okay, let's try again. Okay, we have some damage. Corner. Try again. Let's have a look. Okay, so after a few throws, we can see some damage. This is start to come off one of the seams. So on the corners, there's damage on the corners. It's kind of peeling off. That's MDF, so that's understandable. Yeah, little one is playing as well. But yeah, so it starts to come off like that. Okay, let's do it more. Okay, so I think it's not high enough, so we're gonna try something a bit higher. Okay, we have more damage. Okay, so we do have more damage. It starts to come apart. All of this. So starts to come apart inside as well. So just to summarize, sorry, my little one is playing. It's a damn strong box, considered it's made from MDF, and it starts to split at the weakest point, basically, where this meets this. So you can see some screws here as well. So it was glued with Gorilla Glue, and it is just a cheap MDF. So just in summary, it's a good old box. I'm happy with it. I'm gonna try to destroy it even more because somehow I need to get rid of it. Yeah, so thank you for watching, and see me smash it to bits. I finally gave in. Yes! Mission accomplished. Subwoofer box destroyed. Again, thank you for watching.